Migrating Semantic Models from SSAS, SQL Server Analysis Services to Microsoft Fabric for a leading data services provider. By partnering with Kanerika, they achieved a 25% increase in real-time analytics capabilities, a 40% reduction in manual maintenance efforts, and a 20% improvement in data integration efficiency. The client, a leading data modeling and analytics service provider, struggled with an on-premises server that restricted real-time collaboration and remote access. Manual updates and troubleshooting consumed significant resources. Managing large and complex data models led to inefficiencies. Connecting SSAS to cloud analytics tools required complex setup. Solutions Kanerika implemented: automated transfer of SSAS relationships, tables, columns, and security settings to MS Fabric. Enabled real-time data with Fabric's direct lake mode, boosting speed and cutting data duplication. Ensured smooth integration with cloud analytics tools for advanced reporting. Used Fabric's governance features to improve data protection and ensure compliance. So, why wait? Transform your data analytics with efficient Microsoft Fabric deployment. Contact us today.